Hello. Today is January 7th, Saturday. Today we are in Las Vegas for a special conference called Consumer Electronics Show, also known as CES. Today is the third day of the show. I've been here for 2 days now. First day we got here, we settled in, and then we had a business meeting, so that took up the entire day. Second day we had a ton of fun working with the organization Women and Drones. Spent essentially the entire day with them, from the award ceremony to the cocktail reception to interviews and panels in the middle of the day. Really great to see a bunch of women from the industry come together for such a great reason. So like I mentioned, today is the third day of the show, but it's actually my first day going to experience the main floor and checking out all of the cool upcoming tech. It's about 10 a.m. I'm gonna grab some breakfast and then head over to the show. It's wildly expansive. You know, it's in more than, I believe, 3 different buildings this year, and it has just taken over the entire city. All right, let's get it. For today's outfit, I got a little Oak and Fort blazer. I have this shirt that I actually took from my sister. I believe it's from Urban Outfitters, and got a little undershirt turtleneck situation going on. Of course, got pants also from Oak and Fort, and then I whipped out something special. Got my off-white 4s in the sail colorway. All right, let's get it. Drive this car. BMW. Hello. Today is Sunday, December 8th, and it is checkout time at the hotel. I have packed up my bags very quickly this morning. A little recap of yesterday. There was just so much to see, so much to do at CES. I mean, I don't even think that you can walk all the floors in one day. You definitely minimally at least 2, and then probably 3 if you want to talk to people, really get into some of the tech, wait in line for some of the experiences. What a really cool conference. I think yesterday one of the cool things I saw was that robot dog. I mean, that was just so cool, interactive. I think the entire crowd was just in awe of how far that technology has really come. The other really great experience was at BMW. They had their color changing car concept being displayed, as well as a new car coming out. But more importantly, my boss and I I got to test drive a BMW i7. It's a fully electric BMW 7 Series. It's really, really sweet. It has like this huge theater display in the back. The passenger seat in the back can also fully recline, which is just something you really do not see in every single car. It goes fast pretty quickly, and overall just a really interactive and great experience with BMW. There is just so much tech and so much to see, lots of business to do. So after last night, I came back. We went to Superfrico for dinner, which was quite the experience. I wish I actually took my camera and filmed it, but I didn't, so I will pop in a few clips from my phone. It was a psychedelic Italian meal. By psychedelic, you're probably thinking of one thing, and it was not that. It was in a psychedelic environment. Everything inside was kind of like neon, and there were all these like little kind of acts and performances and shows all throughout dinner. Food was solid, and then shortly after we went to Hakkasan to meet a few colleagues over there. More importantly, saw Little John, which was a bucket list item for me. Great show, great set, got back late, and then woke up this morning and quickly packed. I'm about to figure out my breakfast situation, and then I believe I will have time to go over and finish up one or two more of the halls of CES. I imagine today is a little bit slower just because it's the last day of the show. It's also a Sunday. People really take this day to rest or spend it with family. But let's see where the day takes us, and of course we will head back home. All right, let's get it. We got frozen s'mores. This is like what I was cooking. So